I needed to get my front porch ready for fall, but I didn't want to just hang a wreath and call it a day. I headed to Walmart and grabbed some plastic pumpkin pails for only $1. I began by placing 2 large pots on my front porch. I placed 4-foot rebar posts into the pot, securing them with rocks and soil. Then I cut off the pail handles with the scissors. So the pumpkins would fit over the rebar, I drilled holes in the bottom of each pumpkin. Some already had holes, but I had to make the holes bigger. I placed the first pumpkin on the rebar and slid it down to the pot. Then I added potting soil and a fall mum. I continued to add the pumpkins, tipping them from left to right, adding soil and mums until all 5 pumpkins were planted. Adding a fun mat and a skeleton to my door, I'm ready for Halloween. And if I turn the pumpkins so that they are facing a house, add a fall mat and a wreath, the porch is ready for fall. I hope this inspires you to pick up some plastic pumpkin pails on your next trip to Walmart. See you in my next video.